Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD465.tv, and today we are bringing you a review of Walrus, W-A-L-R-U-S, Walrus, or Walrus, depending on how you pronounce it. So this is going to be a DY or a risk evaluation where we apply our 13 elements before scoring the 13 elements based on the information we're going to review as part of our critical analysis of Walrus, a decentralized storage protocol on SUI network. But before we jump into this review, guys, please know that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on the internet bringing you anything crypto related. And we probably need to get different insights into things considering what's happening out there with the likes of Donald Trump and his crazy approach to global trade and these global tariffs. Any thoughts? We'll be interested to know your thoughts as well. Yes, this is a crypto related video, but if you got any thoughts on tariffs for this one time, we'll be happy to hear what you got to say about it. But before I proceed, guys, please note that I am not a financial advisor. Like I said, do your own research and be prepared to lose everything you invest in this space. That said, guys, let's come back to our review of Walrus and its ticker symbol WAL, W-A-L. So what is Walrus? Walrus is a decentralized data storage protocol and application development designed to facilitate the publication, retrieval, and programming of large data files and rich media content involving videos, images, and audios built on the SUI network. And I think it was also developed by Misten Labs, the team that also developed the SUI blockchain, if my recollection is right here. Walrus enables applications to manage both on-chain and off-chain data through move-based smart contracts. This integration allows for seamless interaction between decentralized storage and blockchain functionality. On to some key features for Walrus. Walrus employs advanced erasure coding techniques, allowing data to be split into smaller fragments or slivers and distributed across a network of storage nodes. This ensures redundancy and enables reconstruction even if many nodes are unavailable. It also leverages the Move programming language in SUI, thereby allowing storage resources to be tokenized and integrated with smart contracts, enabling dynamic and responsive data interaction. Walrus minimizes replication costs while maintaining high data availability. Its architecture supports scaling to thousands of nodes, reducing overall storage expenses. Though built on SUI, Walrus is designed to support interoperability with other platforms like Ethereum and Solana. Moving on to Walrus's value proposition, well, Walrus solves key challenges in decentralized storage with an efficient, secure, and programmable architecture. Integration with SUI and the Move language gives developers tools to create advanced decentralized apps or dApps, while its low-cost and scalable design makes it a compelling alternative to other storage protocols. Now on to the 13 elements, which are decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, the project team, social media presence via X, formerly Twitter, as well as via Discord, age of the project use cases, and the project tokenomics. And to kick us off under the 13 elements is decentralization and security. Walrus uses a distributed network of storage nodes for redundancy and censorship resistance. Erasure coding ensures data can be reconstructed even with partial node availability. Mechanisms are in place to verify that nodes genuinely store assigned data, enhancing system integrity. And as for investment security, for you and I though, while investment in Walrus comes with typical Web3 risks, this platform benefits from an experienced team at Misten Labs, a novel and competitive technology stack, and expanding ecosystem integration with SUI and beyond. Let's go on to scalability and interoperability. Walrus is scalable, capable of distributing massive data volumes across many nodes. It's also interoperable, designed to connect with various blockchain ecosystems for broader applicability, including the likes of Ethereum and Solana. Moving on to the use cases for Walrus, ticker symbol WAL, W-A-L. Let's start with the token then, the WAL token. It is used as a payment token for storage on the Walrus protocol. You can use the WAL token to do delegated staking, which underpins Walrus security. Nodes and those that delegate their stake to the nodes earn rewards based on their behavior, and that the rewards come in the form of the WAL token. Governance for Walrus adjusts parameters in the system and operates through the WAL token. As for the platform itself, it's used for media storage for NFTs and dApps, ideal for handling images, video, and audio content needed in NFT marketplaces and rich decentralized applications. It also acts as a reliable data layer for roll-up solutions, and it supports collaborative platforms and Web3 social networks. Walrus stores high-volume AI datasets with provenance and integrity guarantees. Let's move on to social media then. Via X, formerly Twitter, Walrus boasts just over 557,100 followers, and on Discord, just over 628,700 Discord members. Let's hope they are all genuine. Moving on to the project team, Walrus was developed by Misten Labs, which has over 50 team members. As per LinkedIn information, actually LinkedIn says it's got between 51 and 200 team members, so over 50 team members. That will do for us. On to the tokenomics for Walrus. Ticker symbol, like I said, is WAL, WAL. Token supply with a hard cap is 5 billion. Circulating supply at the time of recording is 1.28 billion or 25.6%. Token allocation or distribution, subsidies 10%, Walrus user airdrop 10%, community reserve 43%, investors 7%, and core contributors 30%. So having looked at all this information, I think the only allocation that is not targeted or owned or controlled by insiders is the Walrus user airdrop, which is 10%. So that leaves us 90%, which is allocated and or controlled by insiders, which is extremely high. And that will be reflected when we actually do our DEWA or risk evaluation during the scoring part. So in conclusion, I would say Walrus is the next-gen decentralized storage protocol with a strong focus on programmability, scalability, and security. Built by Mysten Labs and integrated with the Sui blockchain, Walrus stands out as a powerful solution for developers and the promising opportunities for investors. As always, investment decisions should be based on thorough research and risk assessment. Let's move on to the scoring part then, where we are going to be scoring 13 elements we've reviewed as part of our evaluation. And the 13 elements are decentralization, security, scaling, interoperability, the project team, social media presence via X, formerly Twitter, as well as via Discord, the edge of the project, use cases, tokens issued at project launch, tokens in circulation at the time of recording, maximum tokens available, do we have a hard cap, as well as insider token allocation. And to kick us off is decentralization, 5 points out of 10, security, 5 points out of 10, scaling, 7.5 points out of 10, interoperability, 5 points out of 10, project team, 5 points out of 10, social media presence via X, formerly Twitter, 7.5 points out of 10, social media presence via Discord, 7.5 points out of 10, edge of the project, relatively new, 2.5 points out of 10, use cases, 10 points out of 10, because I think it's got a decent basket of use cases, tokens issued at project launch, 5 points out of 10, and tokens in circulation at the time of recording, 5 points out of 10. Maximum tokens available at 5 billion is 2.5 points out of 10. Insider token allocation, like we intimated during a review of that element, extremely high at 90%, therefore it's 0 points out of 10. There you go, guys. The scores we've issued to Walrus and this token, the WAL token. Any thoughts? Let us know in the comment section. So the aggregate score for Walrus comes up to 67.5 points out of 130, which puts Walrus within the could go to 0 category. Now, most of the projects we review on this channel, they do come under that category, could go to 0, which means they can actually go to 0 and it's realistic. As you will see, most projects that launch during this cycle and possibly the last cycle, they may not come back during the next cycle because they've all wasted or abused whatever funding or resources they had and they don't have any funds to keep developing the project. That's crypto for you guys. So be prepared to lose everything you invest within this space. But specific to Walrus, do you think it could go to 0? And being built on Sui, do you think it will give Walrus an advantage? Currently, I do not hold the WAL token, but it could be something I'll be interested in should the market deteriorate further and the prices come down quite a bit. I may be interested in this token because I think at the moment it's still trading around 50 cents. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the last time I saw the price, I think. Anyway, guys, an interesting project built on Sui. One that probably that is for the future for me. Any thoughts? Let us know in the comment section. Until the next one, FD for 65.tv signing out for now. Bye.